Hey, what's up? HUSSEIN is here, and welcome to this new course. In this course, we're going to learn how to create this iPhone 13 Pro Max using Blender. This result that you are seeing right now, it's the final result of the course. We're going to learn how to model this iPhone from start to finish. We're going to use all the necessary tools to create something accurate and detailed like this result. After the modeling section, we will learn how to use the material system inside Blender to create realistic material. After the material section, we're going to set up the scene, adding the lighting, create the ground, and make the final render. And this is the result that we should get after we finishing the course. This is another image. All right. So, all right, this is the course. You can find this course on my website. All right, let's go to my website. All right, this is my website, marwanpainter.com. You can scroll down. I got all of these courses I made for Blender. All of these courses exist in Udemy, and you can reach it from here. All right, now let's see how can you access this new course of the iPhone. You need to go to the school section. I always share free videos and courses here in this section at the school. I got a lot of videos here. You can check them. This is the course. Just click on the image, and this image will lead you to the course. This is all the content. Don't forget to download the project folder, the images and the stuff, blueprints, to start the learning journey here. All right. Don't forget to check my website, and don't forget check my if you want to check my Udemy account here. I got all the courses exist here, and recently I posted some courses here in the store section in my profile. If you go to the store here, I posted these courses for low price if you have a tight budget. So try to check them. In the future, I will post the other courses here. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you like this course and find it useful. And see you inside.